So the final part that I'm going to do are the mixing problems, and it's telling you not to solve your 1 through 9. So I'm going to just do that. So for problem number 1, it's telling you that cashew nuts costing $22 per kilo are mixed with Brazil nuts costing $16 per kilo. The mixture weighs 50 kilograms and sells for $18 per kilo. Let C be the amount of cashews and be the amount of Brazil nuts in kilos. So the first thing I'm going to do is find how much the entire mixture costs. So it's telling you that it's $18 per kilo. And it weighs 50 kilograms total. So I'm going to multiply the 18 by 50 and find that the entire mixture weighs 900, costs $900. So now I can set up the two equations. So the cashew nuts C times 22 plus the Brazil nuts B times 16 will equal $900 total. And then the amount of cashews in kilos plus the amount of Brazil nuts in kilos equals 50 kilograms. And now I can isolate C here if I wanted to solve it. C equals 50 minus B. So that's what I would write for this problem. It's nice that you don't have to solve, but that is basically what I would write. For number 2, it says Earl the chemist has to make 180 mils of 60% hydrochloric acid solution. He has an available bottle of 45% hydrochloric acid solution and a bottle of 70% HCl solution. Let F be the volume in mils of 45% solution and S be the volume in mils of 70% solution. So it's asking you how much of each solution do you need to create a 60% solution of hydrochloric acid. So first of all, let F be the volume in mils and S be the volume in mils. That is going to add up in total to 180. So that's going to be your first equation. For number 2, the amount of 45% solution times 45%. 45% in this problem, you have to write it as a decimal. So it'd be 0.45. That's how you would write percentages. Plus the 70% solution times 0.7 will equal 0.6. So that's going to be your two equations. For number 3, Laura invested her inheritance of $48,000 in 2 different mutual funds. At the end of 1 year, Fund A had earned 10.5% interest and Fund B had earned 12% interest. She received a total of $5,520 in interest. Let A be the amount invested in Fund A and B be the amount invested in Fund B. So, in total, they'll have invested $48,000. So she separated $1,000 into two mutual funds, and that could be separated into A and B. So that's your first equation. Your second one is going to be pretty much similar to the question 2. So I'll say A times 10% or 0.105 plus B times 12. So 0.12 equals $5,520. So those are your two equations for that problem. I'm going to leave it up to you to do the rest of them for practice. I hope these videos were helpful. If they were, you can always send me questions. I'm happy to do more of these. This is just what I thought you'd need. If you need more, that's totally okay. So yeah, hopefully these are helpful.